In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for Microsoft Azure. If you're new to cloud computing or just want a safe way to try Azure without committing, the free account is the perfect starting point, and the process only takes a few minutes. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Azure free account page. You'll see a Start Free button. Clicking that begins the sign-up flow. Using a modern browser helps everything load smoothly, and if you already have other Microsoft tabs open, that's fine. You'll be prompted to sign in as needed. You can sign in with a Microsoft account, like Outlook or Hotmail, or use your GitHub account. If you don't have a Microsoft account yet, choose the option to create one. It's quick, and once you finish, you'll be brought right back to continue the Azure sign-up. Next, you'll provide some basic information: your country or region, your name, and a phone number. This helps Azure tailor services to your location and verify your identity. Make sure the region matches where you actually reside, and use the name that matches your payment method to avoid verification hiccups. Enter a phone number that can receive SMS or voice calls reliably. Azure will then verify your phone number. You'll get a code via text or an automated call. Type that code into the sign-up page. If the code times out or doesn't arrive, request a new one and try again. You'll be asked to add a payment method. Even though you're signing up for a free offer, Azure requires a valid credit or debit card. Prepaid cards aren't accepted for identity verification. You may see a small temporary authorization, often around $1. This is not a charge, it's a standard verification hold and will drop off automatically. Review Microsoft's terms and conditions, confirm, and you're done. Your Azure free account is created and ready to use. With your free account, you receive a $200 credit to explore during your first 30 days. You also get access to a set of services that are free for 12 months, plus many services that are always free within specific usage limits. This lets you experiment confidently as long as you stay within those limits. To begin building, go to the Azure portal at portal.azure.com. From here you can create resources like virtual machines, databases, storage, and more. If you want to stick to the free tiers, open the free services page inside the portal and browse from there. When creating anything, double-check the pricing tier or SKU before you click Create to avoid selecting a paid option by mistake. That's all it takes to sign up. Enjoy exploring Azure and building your first project.